Hi, everyone. I just wanted to take a few moments just to basically dedicate to this book um, written by Andrew Hodges. It's Alan Turing, The Enigma. It was published in 1983. And this is the book that pretty much um, inspired me to create the two apps, the Enigma and the Alan Turing. So the cipher machine and the essentially the decipher. Um, this is besides the biography part of things, the life of Alan Turing. It really, what to me, basically, ins- the biggest part of the inspiration um, is that it fed my curiosity, and it I would say it's just about for everyone because I assume most people are of very curious nature. We are as humans, and this is not just for those that love biographies uh, or uh, or science or um, math or physics. It's really, or history buffs. This really is all about feeding your curiosity, and it is a battle of wits, which is something that's impacted the outcome of World War II, um, and just the sheer ingenuity that people had and the accomplishments that uh, and dedication that they had on a daily basis to show up for their jobs and try and figure things and break things. Really, what this is the advent of. It's one of the biggest parts of history in cryptography, and I just wanted to share that and give credit to Andrew Hodges, who I don't know if he'll ever see this episode or if he does, but Andrew, thanks for writing a great book, and that's pretty much all I had to say. Um, Thanks for watching, and thanks for watching the previous episode, or if you haven't, do watch the Turing Machine versus the Enigma, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will enjoy it. Thanks, and see you next time.